Automations are fully automated workflows to save you time and help you engage with your contacts at exactly the right moment. For example, when someone subscribes to your list, an automation can send them a welcome email, wait a few days, then send another message based on whether they opened or clicked on that first email. And now with Active Intelligence, building these automations is faster and easier than ever. Since this automation is intended to be an asset to a specific business goal we've been working on, let's take a look here to review what we're trying to accomplish. Active Intelligence is recommending an action to create an automation based on this goal. I'll go ahead and click there and watch Active Intelligence get to work. It will create an automation, describe its key features and benefits, and show you the workflow created. Additionally, I can view each of the automation emails individually and update the subject line, change images, and add links to my call to actions. Once we're ready, click Review and Activate to directly view the automation builder. This does look good, but let's make some quick edits. With the Active Intelligence sidebar, you can prompt an edit like, add a wait step at the top for 1 day, and remove the last email and wait step to shorten things up. Now you can go this route and call it done, but let's explore a few other ways we can create automations. Specifically, the Active Intelligence Workspace. You can access this from the main menu in your Active Campaign account. We can see suggested prompt cards that help us get started quickly. These cards represent common automation scenarios that Active Intelligence can build. Each card is designed to help accomplish something very specific. We can either select a suggested prompt card or type in a custom prompt. For this example, let's use a suggested prompt card called Create a Welcome Series for New Customers. But we could just as easily choose to create our own prompt. The key here is to be specific about your goal. Tell Active Intelligence who the automation is for, what you want to accomplish, and any specific timing or conditions you might have in mind. And Active Intelligence generates the automation while giving a high-level summary of what the automation does, along with the visual flow of the entire sequence. For example, in this welcome series, we can see email 1 is sent immediately when someone becomes a new subscriber. Then there's a wait step, followed by email 2 that shares the brand story, and so on through the sequence. For more robust editing beyond the email content, you can easily access the automation builder by clicking the Edit in Automations button. From here, you can manually add additional actions, adjust timing on wait steps, add conditional logic with if-else statements, incorporate goals, or integrate with other tools. Of course, we can open Active Intelligence sidebar and prompt changes here too. For example, we can prompt, after the last email, add a 1-day wait action, then add one last email to urgently share a promotion for my audience. When satisfied with the automation, simply set it to active for it to start running. From the automation builder, toggle the status from inactive to active. And now the automation is live. Any contact who meets the start trigger conditions will automatically enter this automation and move through the sequence based on their behavior and the timing you've set up. And that's it. You've just created a fully functioning automation using Active Intelligence in a fraction of the time it would have taken to build it manually. Remember, automations are one of the most powerful features in ActiveCampaign because they allow you to create sophisticated, personalized customer journeys that run automatically. And with Active Intelligence, you can build these automations simply by describing what you want in plain language. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you again in the next video.